All right, YouTubers, this one, it was difficult. I've got a 2002 X5 BMW. What was going wrong was the security system was going off while my wife was driving it through an actual kind of ritzy area of Omaha, and you know, people were looking at her like she stole it. She didn't even want to drive it home. But anyway, I got her to finally drive it home with the alarm going off and everything. And on the dash, it said self-leveling inact. Right down in there it did. And then this, was it PDC? Some kind of parking sensor. It was flashing. You couldn't roll the windows up. You couldn't roll them down. It wouldn't register with your key. You could start it and everything, but you couldn't unlock it or relock it. And so I thought, okay, well, you know, what am I going to do? First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to YouTube and I'm going to figure out, you know, if other people have had these issues. Nobody has had the issues that I have had with this, or at least had the same symptoms, and nobody's made a video. I've Googled it, everything, couldn't find anything on it. Only thing I could find was, there's the self-leveling there, because I thought, well, maybe something's going on there, but I had to take it off to get to the battery. It's underneath here in the trunk, if you don't know. Anyhow, it is very difficult to take this all apart when you cannot open this hatch right here. Oh my gosh, it is terrible, especially when one of the seats wouldn't even come down. I finally got it down, but it took a lot of beer, and I finally got it. I did it. I'm really proud of myself. But anyway, this alarm can go off if you have a low battery. So what did I do? Okay, well, I'm gonna go ahead and check the battery. Took the battery up to O'Reilly's. Oh yeah, okay. Your battery's bad. So what I do? Bought a $140 battery. Put her in there. Same damn problem. Same problem. Everything. Put it on. Alarm's going off. It's going berserk. So then I thought, excuse me while I trip over everything. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to check the fuse panel. I'm gonna check and see, you know, maybe there might be a fuse that's causing all these problems. Oh my gosh, I hope. So, fuse panel is in the glove box, just in case you're not familiar. Up underneath here, right under here. Okay, if this happens to you, it is the top. See the sets of 5 there? There's a single 5, then there's a set of 5 5s. It's the second one in, I believe, from the right. And go ahead and change that out. I connected the battery back up. I got power. Alarm isn't going off. I was able to get the back open. It's great. So anyway, I hope that this helps you guys out. I wish that I would have been able to find a video when I was looking for it, but anyway, it's all fixed.